In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable reviews in WooCommerce. Whether you're running a WooCommerce store and want to keep things simple, or prefer to avoid displaying product reviews for specific reasons, turning off the review feature can be a quick and straightforward process. By disabling reviews, you can eliminate the Reviews tab from your product pages, streamlining the overall look and feel of your site without sacrificing functionality. In this tutorial, I'll take you step by step through the process to ensure you're confident in making this change. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything for your WordPress site, including WooCommerce. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your administrator credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar WordPress interface with the menu options on the left-hand side. From here, locate the WooCommerce option in the left-hand menu. WooCommerce is what powers your online store, so it's where we'll find the settings to disable product reviews. When you hover over WooCommerce, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings to access the various options available for your store configuration. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll see several tabs at the top of the page. These tabs help organize all the different settings you can adjust. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Products tab. Click on that, and it'll take you to the section where you can manage all the product-specific configurations for your store. Now that you're in the Products tab, scroll down until you see the section labeled Reviews. This is where you'll find the controls for enabling or disabling product reviews. Reviews can be a valuable feature for some stores, but if you've decided they're not a good fit for yours, this is where you can turn them off. Within the Reviews section, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Enable Product Reviews. By default, this box is checked because WooCommerce assumes most stores will want to display customer reviews. To disable reviews, simply uncheck this box. This action tells WooCommerce that you don't want reviews to appear on your product pages anymore. Once you've unchecked the box, it's important to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see the Save Changes button. Click on it to ensure your new settings are applied. If you forget to save, the reviews will remain enabled, so don't skip this step. After saving your changes, it's a good idea to double-check that everything has been updated as expected. To do this, visit any product page on your site. You can do this by navigating to your store from the front end of your site and selecting a product. Once the page loads, look for the Reviews tab. If you follow the steps correctly, the Reviews tab should no longer be visible on the product page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled reviews in WooCommerce. By completing these simple steps, you've removed the Reviews tab from your product pages, creating a cleaner and more streamlined shopping experience for your customers. If you ever decide you want to re-enable reviews, you can simply go back to the Reviews section in the WooCommerce settings, check the box again, and save your changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.